Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. So this is going to be a short video. I just want to show you how to automate your forms. So basically, let's say someone goes on your website on the contact us page or whatever, and they fill in their contact details or just the form that you have, then you will most likely want to receive that information through email, not just having it in this submission form like over here. I recently, for my one business, we just had a contact us form, and we never even, it wasn't automated that it sends automatically to my inbox. So then I ended up missing I'd say about 30 to 50 emails that just slowly compounded over like the last 3 weeks or so. So then we ended up missing quite a lot of potential business opportunities. So I actually figured it out how to do that. So let's say, here's our contact us page. It looks like, it looks like this. So if someone clicks or fills in, I just haven't saved it yet, but there's the contact us page, like I just connected the form. But if you then just go to forms, let me just go to builder, then you go to that specific form, contact us, that's the one I just connected. Then over here at the top, at this notification bell, just open that, autoresponder, contact us, then you just type in your email there. As you can see, send an automated email to the person who submits the form, but reply to email just into your own, in this case, webcraft, I can't remember what's our exact, online 10 or something like that, just your email in there, and then you can say contact us form has been submitted, something like that, and then just click save. Then you'll actually receive the information that is submitted through your form just in your inbox. And then if you go over here, just want to quickly see if that is connected. Okay, it is on message. So yeah, you can change that, but I recommend just leaving it on message. So if someone clicks submit, then thank you for taking the time to complete this form. We will get back to you shortly or soon or whatever, something like that. And you can remove that, doesn't look too nice, and you can obviously add more stuff in your form like I showed you in the previous videos. So yeah, that's it for this video, just a short one. That will really help you out and just simplify a lot of your business and making sure you actually receive the information your clients submit. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful day further.